Hello everyone. Long time I haven't posted a video because I was busy, but I wanted to do this quick video because we have seen some discussions on the forums and Facebook groups regarding some scratches on these points in here. So as you can see, before every season, so by the way, the bike is on winter storage right now, so before every season I apply a new clear tapes on these areas where we have some possible scratches. So I'm not too pedantic on it, but I also don't like the squeezing part the seat is making. So if you take a look at these sections, so we have one rounded dampener from the seat which is pushing here, another one here, and also we have pure plastic contact in here and in this place. As you can see, this small scratch was done long before I was aware of this issue. Same goes with here and here. So in reality, it's very easy to protect the paint. You only need to put up simple tools, and that's it. So these are the only points. Basically, the full scratching is happening in here. I mean, the full force is applied here, here, and there. So if you're riding two up, usually the seat is pushing on this area the most. So you will have scratches in here, 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 and here. And it's very easy to avoid them. Just apply some clear tape. And in the case of squeaky noises, I also apply some double-sided soft tape in here and in here. You can see the remains of what was left before. So right now I'm gonna clean everything up, then remove the possible scratches that are present. I mean, some polish in here, also polish this part, and then redo this again. I mean, reapply these tapes, and I'm good to go. As you can see, this one did not last too long, so I'll just put it somewhere there. So it didn't last too long, so it made some scratching impressions in here and there. So keep in mind, excellent bike, but these small nuances are a bit frustrating. So if you want to keep your bike nice and clean, just apply some tapes before each riding season, because they don't last too long, because the if you're doing two up, seat is not pushing all of the way, all of the vertical force down, but it's usually putting a bit sideways, so you have the motion going there. So we're good to go.